guys. Oh my god, please don't do that. Please don't do that. Hey guys, I'm here with something a bit different today. I have a craft project that I'm wanting to work on. So my daughter has a ton of stuffed animals. She absolutely loves them. They're all over her room. She's got one of those column organizer things that's pretty much collapsing and messed up, full of her smaller stuff. She's got a couple of shelves that are full of stuffed animals, and then her bed is covered. It takes up more room than she does when she's sleeping, all of these stuffed animals. And then she ends up a lot of time throwing them all on the floor, and then her room's a mess. She doesn't always make her bed and put them all back on, and it's just a mess all the time. And she doesn't want to get rid of any, and I don't want to make her get rid of any because she loves them all. So I was looking online for some ideas of what can we do for storage to help with all of these stuffed animals. And I saw this picture that was super cute. They had it was a clear plastic chair that they stuffed with all of the stuffed animals. And I just thought it was adorable. I found the same pictures on a couple kind of bloggy type sites, but the blogs that I read, they weren't the ones that actually made it. They had just seen the pictures, and so I don't know if it was a product that this person purchased and found. I couldn't find anything when I looked. Or if they made it. And when I looked for just inflatable chairs, I did see one that looked exactly like the type of chair that they had used, and so it made me think maybe I can do the same thing. So I went ahead and ordered myself this inflatable chair. This style is different than the one that I found online, but I thought it would work. It's super cute. It's a little bit smaller than the one they used, which I thought would be perfect for her because it doesn't need to be super big. And I thought I can cut it open and put in a zipper. And I'm planning on gluing it. And I think I'm gonna try and use this E6000 glue. Now this one is old. I need to see if this glue is still any good. Or I might hot glue it. I am not sure. So that's my plan today, is to just kind of experiment and see if I can make a chair that I can stuff with all of her stuffed animals. I am concerned that it might be bumpy and not that comfortable, but we'll see. I figure it's a good experiment, and it may fail. If it does fail, I'm not gonna post this video. So this is up, then spoiler, it worked out, or sort of worked out, maybe. We'll see, question mark, maybe. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see, but let's get into it. I want to pull out this thing, and puppy, you're gonna have to get out of my lap. Yeah, I know, you're super comfortable there now. Well, let's see what we got here. Oof. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this turns out. So I blew it up just enough so that I can see the shape of it. It looks like this is the back, this is the bottom. So right, and that makes sense, right where the inflator thingy is where the bottom is. So I think that's where I want my zipper. And did I get one that's, oh no, that's a good size. There's two, good. I only need one. Let's see, I can put it, maybe, let's close that up. Let's see, where do I want it? I think right there, right? Right there is where it's gonna go. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Alrighty. I'm back. I have safety pins, I have scissors. I think I'm gonna poke this just so I can see where it goes. Oh, so here we go, poking a hole in this plastic here. We'll find out if this is gonna be a waste of $30 or not. Oh, there we go. So there's one. Put it right there. I'm going back now. This is gonna be so cute if it works. If this works, it's gonna be so stinking cute. All right, let me see. cut, 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 cut. Straight line as possible. There goes the air. Oh my goodness. I hope this glue holds. That's, I think, kind of my biggest concern is that the glue is not going to hold. So, and I'm afraid of sewing it because it's all plastic. So I don't think that sewing it is an option. So let's see. Let's see if this works. All right, you guys. Let's see if this glue is any good. Should I open the zipper? I should probably open the zipper. I don't want to. Where do I stick this? I don't want glue on my carpet, so. Let me put that there. Maybe it's just taking a long time to dry. Should I just keep going? I hope I didn't cut that hole too long. I think it might work. And all this glue I need to use up. Anyways, let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. It's just taking a while to dry. So, but let's just keep going. All right, I think that's good. I think it's good. I'm just gonna let that sit and dry for a while. I wanna make sure it's good and dry so I can see that the zipper is secure. And I also just wanna make sure all the glue is dry before I start putting stuffed animals in there because I don't wanna ruin any. Yeah. All right, so I have, the zipper is in and dry and it's a little stiff zipping it up. That's, I think, okay because we're not going to be opening and closing it all that much. So now I think it's time to go get some stuffed animals. Okay, I think that's it. Oh. Let's get to stuffing. All right, I think I'm gonna try and put some of these smaller ones in first. All right. Oh my goodness. Let's get stuffing, 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 stuffing. My goodness, so many toys, so many toys. Oh, somebody's making noise. Oh. I don't know if I should put that one in there. It makes noise. bust it more. Oh well. Oh yeah, I busted it out a little bit more than I should have. Oh well. Let's see. It looks so weird. It looks so weird. All right, let's see what it feels like. Oh, that's comfy. That's super comfy. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like it. It's like a beanbag of stuffies. It feels kind of like a, yeah. It feels like a beanbag chair, guys. This is kind of awesome. It is not as cute as the picture that I found online. I will admit that. It is not as cute, but it is actually kind of comfortable. Guys, final look there. The middle doesn't have anything in it. It's kind of separated. I can't tell if it was meant to have air in it or if it just kind of like filled itself up or not. So I might go cut it out so that I can get some more stuffed animals there in the center. But overall, it's not bad. It's kind of cute. It is, feels like a beanbag chair sitting in it. So it's not that bad. It's kind of comfortable sitting in it. Yeah. No, I kind of dig it. Anyways, kind of a fun project. I think I need to put a little bit more stuff in it. I'm not sure though. It's kind of fun the way it is. So anyways, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna stick this back in my daughter's room. I can't wait to show her it because she has no idea I'm doing this. So hopefully she'll like it. Otherwise, we'll just pull everything out and do something else. Oh, all right. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.